Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, Meakhernandez. Now, today we're going to be cleaning some 2015 LeBron Space Jams. Now, I don't know if you guys remember these, but I did get them for my kids, and let me tell you, they are beat. But we're going to try to get these back looking fresh and clean, and hopefully bring them back to their former glory. All right, so let's go ahead and get right into this cleaning. So here we got the 2015 LeBron Space Jams. And we're going to go ahead and get these as clean as possible. Now, as you can see in this area, they're stained. A lot of stains. These were my kid shoes back in the day. We can see the staining is real. So what we're going to use is going to be the FZ150 soft bristle brush. And we've got our Dawn dish soap, the clear one, in our container here. Let's move it off camera. So right now, let's go ahead and start this cleaning process. This is gonna be hardcore. I keep almost forgetting. Let's go ahead and just dust these down real quick. I mean, not a lot of dust on them, but just to be on the safe side. Alright, so let's go ahead and start the cleaning. This shoe, I am putting a little bit of pressure on the brush because it is stained, it is filthy. I've never cleaned these shoes. So that's years of dirt just stuck on here. Hopefully we can get them to be presentable again, but you notice I'm kind of just staying in that same little spot a little longer than I normally do when I'm cleaning shoes. But as we can see, a lot of dirt just in there. Let's go ahead and hit the medial side up. We see this major staining right here. Let's hit this tongue up. I don't know, honestly, how they're going to turn out at the end of the day, but hopefully we'll get them close to their formal glory. But the way it's looking right now, like, I'm going to keep it real with you, I don't know. But you always got to have faith, right? Alright. So this stuff just sucked in that soap. We're just going to hit this outside one more time. Now we're just going to go ahead and move to FZ150's stiff bristle brush so we can go ahead and hit the midsole up. And we're also going to use it for the top of the shoe because it's some kind of like leather on there, and hopefully it'll work and get a lot of this staining off. So that looks promising. Let's go ahead and hit this little LeBron tab up. Let me just look at that. I don't know if you can see it. That is filthy. Filthy, filthy. Let's go ahead and hit this up real quick. Set the inside of it up. Let me just wipe off my table real quick a little bit. Alright, so now, you know what, before we hit the bottom of the shoe up, I am going to use this brush on the upper. See if that will kind of get a little bit more of that dirt. Let's go ahead and hit the inside of the shoe up, hit this lining up. If y'all can see a little better, it's just a little awkward for me. Alright. Right now let's do the tongue, the inside of the tongue. Just hitting this back side up the heel up a little more. Alright, so we got that shoe as clean as we can get it with the Dawn dish soap and some rubbing here. Let's just hit the bottom up. Alright, so the shoe is completely done, completely cleaned as best as it's gonna get. We'll see how it turns out. But now, I unlaced them before before recording, but see how dirty these laces are. We can go ahead and get that cleaned up now. You know, I'm just gonna soak them in this water for a little bit. All right. All right. So we got the shoestrings cleaned up. Now, this shoe, I am going to completely rinse the shoe off any of this soap, and then I am going to throw them in the washing machine to help out with a lot of this staining. All right, so once we come back, the shoe is going to be laced, and then we're going to go ahead and hit up these air units here, so they're back to that clear look instead of that foggy. All right, so we'll be right back. So there is the finished product. It didn't come as clean as I wanted to, but nonetheless, it did come out clean. Now, for this shoe being from 2015, there is some issues that I noticed once I cleaned them. And the first issue is, let me go ahead and show you the toe box. We see that this blue paint started kind of coming off a little bit. See that? Even on the medial side, I believe. The second issue is, I don't know if you guys can see it, but this section right here, the speckle on it just kind of rubbed off. But nonetheless, these were my kids' shoes from 2015, and what they're gonna do is just go right above that shoe, those shoe boxes there, and they're just gonna be chilling. Not gonna wear them, not gonna sell them, not gonna do anything. But let's go ahead and take a look at the medial side. They did come out pretty dope. And also, I'm gonna show you guys right now, but the laces were dingy, never washed again since 2015. But for the most part, they came out pretty cool, pretty clean. And also, if you see the LeBron logo right here, you can kind of see that the paint kind of started fading off of it. But hey, that's what you can expect when you try to clean some shoes that are 9 years old, 10 years old, going on 10 years old. And also what I just noticed right now is, looking at the midsole, a lot of the speckle kind of just came off. I did lace the shoe off camera, as you can tell, because everybody knows how to lace shoes. But go ahead and take a look at them. Hey, I just want to thank you guys for taking this time to watch my videos. And make sure you hit the like and subscribe for more content like this. All right, peace.